Let's do it again tonight on Dinner in Place. Special collab edition with top chef, master, and San Francisco legend, Chef Chris Cosentino. We're gonna be doing Japanese convenience store style 3-egg salad sandwich with all the yum-yums, baby.
I'm not sure what you did to me, but I like it. I love it. Oh, I'm not sure what you did to me, but I like it. I love it. Oh, every time that I get up on the microphone, I gotta...
I'm super stoked. We've got this classic play off of Jewish heritage, right? Like that egg salad sandwich, but then that Japanese convenience store.
That's right. There's nothing like it. I mean, anytime anybody goes to Japan, like you said, they make a beeline to the refrigerator section and they have to grab something from the shelf.
It's such a unique concept that I think the US hasn't grasped as well as Japan has. The convenience store food is super high level. You know as well as I do, Jewish grandma, perfect egg salad sandwich. So let's smash them together, right?
Let's get into it.
You've got those killer egg salad sandwiches that come and they're like those perfect triangles, right? When you walk up to that glass case.
That's right,
At the convenience store. So we're gonna riff on that.
Prepare the yum-yums.
What I've got here is 3 eggs. You know which one's which?
Maybe we should explain.
We got a duck egg. A little bit bigger than your traditional chicken egg, really high in protein, but the yolk is amazing. Really rich, really delicious. And then a lovely chicken egg. If you can't find the duck egg, that's okay, you can do all chicken. But with this in particular, we wanted to do both, right? We wanted to give that unique flavor profile. Your duck eggs, you can usually find at specialty markets, super delicious. They're worth every penny. And then we will jump into and add, of course, some beautiful akura, salmon eggs. So now we're a 3-egg salad sandwich. 3. What we've done in advance, 1 pot of boiling water, salt, and baking soda.
Baking soda. Talk about the baking soda.
Baking soda is the trick to make it so your eggshells peel. So we take the duck egg. The duck eggs go into boiling water for 8 minutes. Put them in a bowl of salted ice water. Then you're gonna cook your chicken eggs. Those are gonna be 7 minutes. Cool them in the same water. As it's cooling, you take a spoon, hold the egg in your hand, crack the shell and drop it into that water. The water will get in between the shell and that little membrane and then the actual meat of the egg. And then you can just run your fingers and you peel off. But now what I'm looking for is I don't wanna have that egg yolk be chalky white.
That's not what we're doing.
It's good for certain applications. It's great for a deviled egg, but we're not making a deviled egg.
We're not doing that. No, this is different.
They're a whole different game.
Yes.
And so the same thing, we're gonna have the duck egg, we're gonna mix into the salad, and then the chicken egg is the surprise in the middle, all right?
Let's talk about this bread, Juan. Let's talk about this bread. So if you were to go to a Japanese convenience store, on the corner, you would probably find some milk bread.
Yes.
But we are here today in San Francisco. We're gonna go to our convenience store and get some bodega bread. This is nothing other than the finest pedigree white bread that you can find.
By the way, though, we did do center cut on the loaf here.
We did.
So we have this nice, perfect square.
Look at that.
Okay? We've got these ready to go, but one thing we have to do still, chicken skin. I'm sure you had it.
Yeah.
I love it. Gribbonies.
Of course, Gribboness.
My grandmother used to do this. She would bake the chicken skin. This is gonna make such an awesome addition.
It's just this magic texture, right? So we have eggs, which are gonna be soft, so we wanna offset that softness, right? You need the bread to be soft to conform around that egg salad, but we want to crunch. So all you do is you take a little bit of flake salt.
Flake salt.
Now notice there's parchment down first, because parchment, as it cooks, the fat will release, which is also known as schmaltz.
Schmaltz.
That'll help it separate. We have a preheated oven, it's 350 degrees. So, really important, you gotta put another piece of parchment on top.
Okay.
That'll prevent it from sticking to our other tray. This press will prevent it from curling, and we're gonna go into a 350 degree oven.
Make the egg salad.
The knife looks pretty, right?
It does.
But we're not gonna use it to cut the eggs.
What the hell is that?
You can take a cooling rack that you would cool a pie on, and this will be our tool for cutting our eggs.
Love it.
So this is great to get the kids involved. There's no knife necessary, okay? So I'm gonna take
This is our duck egg.
duck egg.
This is our duck
I'm gonna
egg.
dry it because I don't want any of the excess water.
Right. Hey, look at that. I love this. Look at, and what kid is not gonna wanna do this?
Exactly.
What kid is not gonna wanna do this?
Perfect little squares,
Yeah.
okay? You have control over the process, and you'll notice that the yolk is not chalky.
That's right.
Right? What we're looking for is that glassine yolk. You can see, I like to call it a stained glass egg yolk. You can almost see through it, right? But it's got that nice sheen to it.
Yeah.
And it's just runny enough because then now we don't need to add as much.
Kewpie mayo.
This is the Kewpie mayo guy. We're gonna have very simple ingredients going in here. So, salt is your friend. Don't overdo it, because we're gonna add the sakura later, which is gonna add salt. We have the chicken skin, which is cooking, which will add salt, okay? We're gonna brighten it up. What's really delicious, if you can get it fresh, is fresh yuzu zest and yuzu juice. I have a little yuzu juice here, but either way, if I just can get yuzu juice, I'm still gonna add this lemon. It brightens it.
Lemon zest.
Lemon zest, yuzu zest, okay? Adds a brightness.
And listen to that. I love lemon. Lemon zest on anything is just amazing.
So I'm gonna add my pepper,
Pepper.
fresh ground. We ground this just a little bit ago. Okay, now I'm gonna slide this bowl over right here. We need tarragon. To me, tarragon adds that really lovely flavor. So tarragon has that beautiful anise flavor.
Yeah.
Really clean. I'm just gonna take it and just do a little dice. No seeds, no stems. Now, if you don't have tarragon, sometimes you see chervil in the market. It has that same anise-like flavor,
Yeah.
but it's a little bit more delicate.
What I like about tarragon though is it's also easier to source. And
It's much easier to source.
And so far, like true dinner and play style, everything that we have here is very easy to source.
Okay, in here now, we've got that, and we've got minced chives. You can find chives anywhere,
Chives.
and I like a lot.
It's got a great touch too. I'm sure y'all see this. He's got a great touch. Look at this.
Okay, so you can see the egg, it's nice cube.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna add the Kewpie mayo, then we're gonna add our juice.
Okay.
I don't wanna add the juice first because the juice will adhere to the mayo.
Oh, here we go. Squeeze it. There it is. Look at that. Oh, it's like, it reminds me when I was a kid, we used to do like okonomiyaki, like squeeze the Kewpie mayo on there, you
I
know?
love okonomiyaki.
Okay, next.
I could eat that till
Yeah.
the end of time
Oh my God.
with your dancing bonito. This is the bonito dance. So. All right, so now we've
Yeah.
got in our Kewpie mayo and a dibble. Think about it like somebody's adding a bitter to a cocktail. You just want a dash. Because if you add too much, yuzu is 10 times stronger than most citrus,
Right, yeah.
So if you add too much, you're gonna overpower. So I'm just gonna doo-doo. There you go.
There's your dibble.
There's your dibble. Oh man.
Just, I can tell, just by the way it sounds.
Custardy like.
Yes.
All right, now it's sandwich build time.
Assemble the sandwich.
So we'll start with our bread here. And I've got, here's my little special treat. I'm gonna give you this. This is gonna be your gig on this one.
Okay, okay.
In with the salt. In with our pepper.
A little more lemon zest.
Yeah.
Okay. Chicken eggs.
Chicken egg. Now this chicken egg, now you're gonna roll it around. It's gonna stick. So when it goes in the sandwich, it's seasoned and ready to go.
Look at this.
How's that for perfect?
Beautiful.
Okay, so now we got our setup ready to go.
Look at that. Little bit of yolk here and there.
Yeah, nice explosion of yolk.
Yeah.
Okay, really important. I think you're the same way. If you go out to eat, you have a sandwich or a hamburger and you bite into it,
Yeah.
and there's nothing on that first bite but bread,
Right.
That sucks.
No good.
that's not good, right? I can't accept that as an okay thing. Okay? Bread
Yes.
to sandwich ratio, bread to burger ratio has to be spot on.
Yeah, I mean, every bite needs to taste the same.
It's got to taste the same.
Yeah.
It's got to be complete.
Yeah.
And not taking anything away from the bread, right?
But that's not what you're eating a sandwich for, so.
Correct.
Yeah. So now our ikura.
Okura.
Yeah, look at that. when we were discussing this recipe, like ahead of time, I think this whole thing took about 5 minutes to discuss, which is really all it should be. Because if if you're sitting there chopping it up for hours, nobody can make that. You know what I mean?
Exactly.
Salmon roe.
Your special egg that you rolled. So I'm gonna just show you a trick now. Wet knife. Okay. So I'm taking one off.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Perfect.
Now, every sandwich that I've ever had, Japan and everywhere else, should be cut on the dry. Look at that, see?
Yep.
How's that look so far?
I think it looks great.
But now here's the best part.
Grimace. Hey, that sound. Look at that.
Now, I don't want to break it up so much that it's hard for you to get to it, because I want to like make it a little anchor points, right? So, 'cause I want every bite, right? So now I've made it, so both sides will have every bite.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Okay?
So right now, let's talk about it. We've got the bodega bread, duck egg, chives, Kewpie mayo, lemon zest, salt and pepper, chicken egg in half, Ikuda, the salmon roe.
And the grimace, which is the chicken skin.
Correct. That's it. So it seems like a lot,
Yeah.
but together they all blend very well.
Right.
We're ready to go at this point, but the trick is now we gotta wrap it
That's right.
just like it's gonna be at the convenience store.
Yes.
Okay.
What we're gonna emulate here is the Japanese convenience store wrap. And boom. Done.
How's that for a Whopper? That is a monster. That is good for you, healthy,
Omega-3.
omega-3s, all the good fatties.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm gonna take this over to my plastic.
Now we're gonna do our convenience.
Convenience store moment.
Yeah.
Da-na-na-na.
Wrapped. Look at that.
Now,
We got a lot in there.
we got a lot in there, but the
Yeah.
key is getting it together.
Yeah. Nice and tight. Yeah.
And then see, this is gonna allow everything to settle
Right.
and chill together. So it's gonna naturally kind of bind
That's
as
right.
it sits. So this is gonna go in the fridge.
So what are we grabbing right now?
So this is the sandwich we just made,
Mm-hmm.
okay? And we're like 3 hours later, which is pretty great. Corner to corner is key,
Yeah.
right? I'm actually gonna cut this with the plastic.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna hold it all together.
There it is. Look at that. Woo! Look at
Okay.
that.
So the best part is, as we cut it with the wrap, it holds it all together.
That's right.
And now,
Look at that. It's smiling.
this magic moment.
Look at this thing. The 3-egg salad sandwich, Japanese convenience store style.
Bodega bread and Gribney's. There you go.
So creative, but so simple.
Fun.
Yeah, a
Let's
lot of
eat.
fun. Let's do it. Wow.
A mess is good.
This is so good. This is so damn good.
Grimace.
It's exactly right. It's like having potato chips on your sandwich.
That's the way it should be.
Yep. Thank you so much, Top Chef Master, San Francisco legend, Chris Cosentino. Wow, this is so good. It's falling all over me. This is amazing.
That's the way a good
Yeah.
sandwich should be. It's a 2-hander and a 2-napkin. Cheers to the Bonito Shake.
We did it. Yo, what's good? It's Lyrics Porn. Thank you for watching Dinner in Place. Make sure you stay tapped in, hit like and subscribe for more excellent content like this.